Welcome to Crypto Finder. Today I'm going to show you how to get started buying Bitcoin Cash. So the first thing I want you to do is go down into the description of this video, and there you'll find a guide by Finder on how to buy Bitcoin Cash in Australia. Now the great thing about this guide is it will show you some exchanges where you can actually purchase Bitcoin Cash with Australian dollars, whereas sometimes you Google these things and you get results for websites that are in US dollars or pounds or euros or whatever it may be. So the first thing to do is just to scroll down and you'll find a variety of exchanges where you can buy Bitcoin Cash in Australia. If you scroll down that list, you'll see that it lists things like the different payment methods that are available. For instance, cryptocurrency and electronic funds transfer, SWIFT. Up here we've got Poly, which is a fairly new payment method in Australia. And then of course you've got things like bank card, credit card, debit card. You can then compare the currencies that the exchange accepts, and you can also see the supported cryptocurrency, so that if you purchase Bitcoin Cash but you want to purchase some other altcoins as well, it gives you an idea of what is available there. And if you click on the View Details tab of each exchange, you'll find even more. So it's a great chance to just compare exchanges here by selecting the Compare box. So once you've found the exchange that you want to get started with, you can then go down and you'll get a bit of a step-by-step guide to buying Bitcoin Cash. Now, each one of these uses a specific account to demonstrate, but generally the steps are applicable for any exchange you use. But that being said, we're going to get started today, and we're going to use the Coinspot exchange, just like this demonstration does, just to make it a bit easier for you, so that things are the same as what you see in the guide. And because Coinspot's also got over 100 different cryptocurrencies available in Australia, and it of course takes Australian dollars, so it's pretty good, pretty straightforward and easy. So let's go to the site. Okay, so once you've set up your account with Coinspot and you've gone through the KYC process, which is where you verify your identity, and that can take 1 or 2 days. So once you've set up your account, you'll be greeted with a dashboard like this. There's a lot going on, but it's basically just showing you your wallet, which is how much cryptocurrency you've got, what the recent movers are popular right now. So it's just kind of showing you what other people on the exchange are buying or interested in at the moment. But the first thing that we need to do is obviously deposit AUD. So we go over here. Once your account's verified, you'll have several different options. Poly payments and BPay, which are the most common ones with Australian exchanges these days. So once you've deposited your funds into your wallet, you then go over to buy and sell. Pretty straightforward, pretty self-explanatory, and this shows you all the different cryptocurrencies that are on offer. So quite a lot, but up the top here is Bitcoin Cash. So let's go over by BCH, because BCH is the short term for Bitcoin Cash, unlike BTC, which is Bitcoin. And here we're just showed the price that we're being offered per unit of Bitcoin Cash. So that's $461 for a single Bitcoin Cash. And then we just put in how much Australian dollars we're willing to spend. So let's say we're willing to spend about 800, so nearly 2. We type in 800 and it will show how many Bitcoin Cash we get for that rate up there if we spend 800. So 1.73 if we spend 800. If we spend 400, again we get 0.86, nearly a whole one. And if we type in 461, 0.81, we get just short of, there we go, we get a whole one. Because as you can see, the price is the same. Click on buy and you'll see what the fees are. So the Coinspot fee is 1%, and then you just go ahead and confirm that transaction. And that's really it. That's all there is to it with buying Bitcoin Cash on Coinspot. If you'd like to buy any other altcoins, you just go to buy and sell, follow that same process that we did for Bitcoin Cash, except of course you go to buy, buy link, buy chain link. And again, if you want to sell, you go through that same process. So let's say we want to sell some Qtum or Quantum. They would offer us a price this time, and we just put in how many of them we want to sell. Let's say we want to sell 500 Qtum. and it would then calculate how much we get in Australian dollars for that. Okay, so that's really it for getting started with Coinspot. If there's any other exchanges or coins that you'd like us to cover in the future, please let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe and give us a like so we can keep making great, helpful content like this for you in the future. Thanks and have a great day.